Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Homeplace, friends. How y'all doing today? Well, y'all, I know it's been a long time since I've done a video, and I said, you know what? I've been putting it off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a video. I just out here in my shop this morning. I just threw my phone up here and I'm gonna do this real quick video, just give y'all a quick update. We've been doing fine. We've been busy all summer long and in the spring too with a baseball, and we just got through playing our county ball. We got second place in the county and first place in the championship, so we was happy about that. Austin, he's fixing to turn, this month we're gonna start playing travel ball again, so we're gonna be busy on the weekends doing that. And but I think the last video, y'all, was my garden video. I think when I was planting my garden, best I remember. I'm just gonna give you an update on that. Our garden done pretty good this year. Not as well as we want, but we're thankful for stuff we got out of it so far. Tomatoes done pretty good. They're starting to slow down. The cucumbers are really good on them. Squash done alright. Our okra is just now starting to bear okra. It's kind of slow. The the stalks are very small, so they're I don't know what happened with that. I don't know, it was all the rain we got earlier in the spring. There's like at least a month, half of rain straight, maybe even close to 2 months. I mean, there's a lot of rain. So I stayed really wet down there, so it affected some of that stuff down there. I know, and the grass growed like crazy. I was down with my lawnmower, y'all, trying to mow my garden, trying to get all the grass down. And then I finally got in there and got a tiller in there and got around some things. That helped, but I mean, that grass went crazy down there. So I probably stunted some of my plants and stuff, But anyway, y'all, still getting some cucumbers, pepper, squash done with. Like I said, the okra just now coming out, but yeah, we're thankful with the stuff we have got in our garden, and look forward. Every year I say this, I look forward to a good garden every year, but some years better than others. And but anyway, y'all, I always look forward to fall time, planting. We'll be planting some like mustard greens and radishes and turnip greens. I always love that time of year too, planting. But let me see, other than that, y'all, we just been doing the same old thing we've been doing. I've been out here working in my leather shop. I don't do much videos on that just because it's gonna be the same thing over and over and over. And I say, I've been meaning to make some new items and stuff, and I just haven't done it. I still make them for the most part, my knife sheaths, and I'm going to be putting some belts up before too long on Etsy. I just took this off to show y'all this my belt been wearing, but anyway, I'm going to start selling these on there. It's this is like a medium brown. It's got a roller buckle, but I'm going to have like a couple different buckles, like an antique brass buckle, nickel buckle, a brass buckle, if somebody's interested in that. And the leather is like 10, 11 ounce leather. These belts are just a good like work belt or just an everyday type belt. Let's see right there. And it's made out of Shaheen bridle leather, so it's a good leather. It's gonna last a long time for the belt. And I just took this belt off to show y'all that. And I got the strap right here. That's the other color. I think they call it hickory. It's like a darker brown color. Let me show you a comparison. That's the other side of leather I'm gonna make belt side of right there. You see the difference in the color right there. But anyway, I say we've been doing fine and everything. And I guess after 4th of July we took a little vacation up there to Smoky Mountains, and I got some video of that, and if I got time I'll put some clips together, either make one video or just put individual clips. Might be easier to do that. I got a new computer, so the program I used for putting the videos together, I don't have it on this new computer. It's on my old computer, so I'm not really sure, like I say, as far as putting the video together with this new computer, how easy that's going to be. I probably got to get another program downloaded and whatever to do that with. But anyway, y'all, yeah, that's what we've been doing for most of just baseball all summer, and just doing what we do, you know. Tasha does her work and I do my work, and we've been doing good and everything. Today's first day the kids went back to school, so hope they have a good year this year and hope they have a good day at school. But I just thought I'd get on here real quick and let y'all know that we're still here and doing good, and yeah, I guess that's about it, y'all. Nothing spectacular to tell you about, you know, anything spectacular going on. In the future videos, I'm not really sure what we're going to have in those. I do know I have some maintenance coming up on my Subaru, and some of them might be interested in that kind of stuff. I might do a couple videos doing that. We've got to do a CVT fluid change on it, and front rear differential gear oil change. Just that time again for that. And but other than that, y'all, we're just trying to stay cool around here, man. It's been hot, 9,500 degrees, you know. And that's nothing out of ordinary, I guess. It just I always enjoy when the fall weather comes, though. You gotta have the summer before the fall. You know, you can't skip the seasons. But anyway, y'all, appreciate y'all coming along. Appreciate y'all watching the videos. And as always, friends, my family, yours, y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you later. Bye.